Mini tutorial here on using chrome powder, and what I've done is I've prepared two tips with different products, all by Accents. So this tip over here has Luxio's Noir and then a coat of Accents Shine On tack free top gloss. Tack free means it doesn't have a dispersion layer, so there's nothing to wipe off the nail. Very important that you use one of these when you're doing chrome powders. This tip over here has a product called Black On. So what Black On is, it's a black color with your Shine On already in it. So you only do one coat of this, whereas you would have to do two coats of color and one coat of Shine On with the other one. The Black On is actually my favorite product to use. Now every top gloss or top coat that you use requires a different curing time when it comes to chrome powder. So what I always suggest is that you practice on a few tips and see which ones work better. I have an LED light, and so Accents Shine On works better, I find, if I cure for 20 seconds. So this one here has been cured for 20 seconds. Now because the Black On has color and top gloss, it needs the full 30-second cure. So usually when you're dealing with chrome powders, you either cure for 10 seconds or not 10 seconds, 20 seconds or 30 seconds, depending on which product you use. So I'm going to move this one over and I'm going to do the Noir and the Shine On first. I like to use a silicone tool as well when I do my chromes. Just, it's a preference. You can use a makeup brush, you can use your finger, you can use finger caught. Personally, I love using the silicone tool. And so I'm just buffing it up to get a really good shine. Sometimes it takes a couple coats of silver, and sometimes it takes another coat of your Shine On or your top gloss and another coat of your chrome powder. When you're doing silver, you can do a couple coats. I find sometimes if you have color, like a lighter color underneath, and you're doing a silver chrome on top, sometimes you can't do two coats of the chrome because it makes it a little bit too silvery. So there we have that one there. So I'm going to show you with the Black On. This one here is my absolute favorite because it just gives it such a mirror finish right from the very beginning. And this is probably the downside to chrome powders, especially this one here. It just tends to fly all over the place and you get sparkles everywhere. Very important that before you top coat, after you're done your chrome, that you make sure you get all those little dust particles off, because what's going to happen is it's going to settle in your top gloss bottle. And then say you have someone coming in for a French and you go to use your top coat, you're going to leave them sparkly and they're not going to like that. So I just wipe that off. So what I do is I use a little tiny bottle to top coat my product,